Saving for a first home or for retirement are two of the biggest financial goals for many of us. The Lifetime ISA, or LISA as it's known, is a government account designed specifically to help, offering a significant 25% bonus on your savings. In this video, I'll explain what a Lifetime ISA is, how the government bonus works, and the eligibility requirements. I'll also cover the key rules, including the penalty for early withdrawals, but most importantly, I'll share tips to get the most out of a LISA so you can get on the property ladder sooner. So what is a Lifetime ISA? Well, a Lifetime ISA is a type of individual savings account for people aged 18 to 39, created to support two long-term goals: saving a deposit for a first home or saving for retirement, with funds accessible from age 60. The standout feature of the LISA is the government bonus. For every £1 you contribute, the government adds 25p. You can save up to £4,000 each tax year. If you contribute the full amount, the government will add £1,000, bringing your total for that year to £5,000. Now, the government bonus provides a significant boost to your savings. This bonus is paid into your account monthly, allowing you to begin earning interest on it quickly. Bear in mind that the £4,000 LISA contribution is part of your overall £20,000 annual ISA allowance. So the good news is that you could still contribute up to £16,000 to other ISAs in the same tax year, but you won't get a government bonus with those products. Not everyone is a good fit for a LISA account. With the exception of eligible withdrawals, a 25% government withdrawal charge will apply. This means you could get back less than you paid in. Tax treatment depends on individual circumstances and may be subject to change in the future. The LISA is treated differently for tax purposes compared to a pension. You will not benefit from employer pension contributions and may impact entitlements to means-tested benefits. If you're considering the LISA for retirement, we recommend speaking with a financial advisor. So how does a LISA work? Well, there are a few LISA rules that you need to understand. To open a LISA, you must be aged between 18 and 39. You can continue contributing to it until your 50th birthday, however. If you're buying a first home, the property price must be £450,000 or less. Crucially, the account must be open at least 12 months before you can use the funds for a property purchase, so planning ahead is important. If you're not using a LISA for a first home, you could use it to save towards your retirement. You can access all the money, including bonuses and any interest or investment growth, completely tax-free once you turn 60. It's important to also be aware of the withdrawal restrictions. If you take money out of your LISA for any reason other than buying a qualifying first home, reaching age 60, or a terminal illness, a 25% penalty is applied to the entire amount you withdraw. This penalty effectively reclaims the government bonus and also takes a portion of your original capital. Now, what type of license are there? Well, there are two main types. There's the cash ISA, where you can earn a variable rate of interest like you would in a normal savings account, and a stocks and shares LISA, where your money is invested in the stock market. With a stocks and shares LISA, your investments can go down as well as up, so you could get back less than you put in. Therefore, as a rule of thumb, if you're planning to buy a house in the next 5 years, a cash LISA is likely to be more appropriate. But now you know how a LISA works, here are 5 practical tips to help get the most out of a Lifetime ISA and hopefully get you on the property ladder sooner. First of all, start the 12-month clock. Even if you aren't ready to save a large amount, opening a LISA with a small deposit, even just £2, starts the mandatory 12-month countdown that I mentioned earlier. Secondly, use automation for consistent growth. The government bonus is paid monthly. This means consistent small deposits can be a more effective way to save rather than waiting to build up a lump sum to deposit in a LISA. Consistent deposits will receive their bonus and begin earning interest sooner, creating a compounding effect throughout the year. Number 3, choose a high interest account. The 25% government bonus is the main draw, but the underlying interest rate is also crucial for maximising your growth. Not all cash LISAs offer the same return. By selecting a provider that consistently offers a market-leading interest rate, I'll reveal who that is in a second, you ensure that your contributions and the government bonus are working as hard as possible. Over several years, the difference from a higher rate can add a significant amount to your final pot. Number 4, deposit large sums early. The tax year runs from April the 6th to April the 5th. If you plan to deposit a lump sum, doing so early in the tax year is beneficial. It gives your contribution and the subsequent bonus more time to accumulate interest. And the fifth one is the strategy for couples. If you and your partner are both first-time buyers, you can each open and use a lifetime ISA. This allows a combined annual contribution of £8,000, which would generate a £2,000 government bonus each year. Over time, this can make a significant difference to your deposit. So what's the best way to put these tips into practice? First, you need to choose a LISA provider. Make sure you look at the features each LISA offers. Here's how Plum's cash LISA aligns with the strategies I've already mentioned. Don't forget, a cash LISA is preferable for those planning to buy a home within 5 years, as it protects your deposit from stock market volatility. So Plum allows you to open a LISA with just £2, making it easy to start the 12-month clock. The automation features within the Plum app are designed to facilitate regular savings, helping you benefit from the compounding effect we covered in the second strategy. The Plum LISA is part of its free plan, and your savings are protected up to £85,000 by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. To summarise, a lifetime ISA is a powerful savings vehicle for first-time buyers and those saving for retirement. For more information, including full details of Plum's market-leading cash lifetime ISA, you can find a link in the description below this video. Plum is not a bank. This is not financial advice. Cancel within 30 days. Rates may change.